Hello and welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. So quickly guys, I'm going to show us how to stitch this agbada, how to sew this agbada you are seeing here with that design, how to sew it, okay? So if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, okay? And if you want to join my suit class or my WhatsApp group, that's the link, that's my number, chat me up and I'll add you to it. So this is the design of the agbada right here. You can see the design here, okay? And this is the fabric here. This is 2.5 trouser lengths of fabric. So let's now go ahead. You see, I folded my fabric and identified the center point. This is the center point here. You can see the mark I made there. Okay, and this is the design. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to stitch this design. This is the bad side of the fabric. So I'm placing the design on the bad side of the fabric. But I will turn the design, okay. The good side of the design will face the bad side of the fabric. Consider where I'm placing it. Very simple and straightforward, guys. If you are yet to subscribe, please subscribe. Look at the center there. The design should be at the center of the agbada as well. I'm going to stitch it around here, but before then I'll pin it, okay? Before then I'll pin it. All right. So like I said, if you want to join my suit class or my WhatsApp group, that's my number there. Chat me up and I'll add you to the classes. So I've gone ahead to pin it. You can see the way I pin the design to the fabric. Now watch carefully how I am going to stitch it. It's very simple and it's straightforward. It's much more easier to get this agbada design and stitch on your design your agbada yourself, because it saves time and it prevents disappointment. Okay, once you're able to get it and do it yourself, nobody will delay your work. So it's that simple. Like I said before, if you want to join any of my suit class, female suit class, male suit class, safari suit class, or you want to join my WhatsApp group, that's my number on the screen. Okay, you can chat me up and I'll add you to my WhatsApp group or any of my classes at all you want to join. So after this, now I'm going to remove these pins. I'll remove these pins carefully, and then I'll use my scissors to just watch carefully how I'm notching this to the angles. Watch carefully how I'm notching it to the angles. All right, cut off the excess allowance. Now the next thing is to turn this to the good side. All right, I will turn this design now to the good side of the fabric. And see this, guys, this is simple, easy and straightforward. And of course guys, I have taught you guys how to sew agbada. So basically what you're learning from this class is how to attach this embroidery to your agbada. So watch carefully how I'm going to stitch it now. So the basic thing we're learning in this class is how to attach this embroidery to your agbada. It's that simple. That's what we're learning from this class basically. So you carefully stitch it. Consider I'm taking my time to arrange the fabric and then stitch it. I'm taking my time, I'm not rushing it. So you carefully do that. Carefully do that. Don't rush it. You have to give it time so that it will come out well. You see what I'm doing? Like I said guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn your notification bell on, so that whenever I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. Alright. So now guys, after this, it's very important for you to put your hemming gum and hem the design to the fabric before doing this side stitch I'm doing here, this side stitch here. But before you do it, it's very important that you put hemming gum under just to hem the design to the agbada, to the fabric, sorry, so that you will be very, very sure that it will be flat. Okay, I didn't put it here, but I'm stitching it. But I'm saying if you are doing it from experience, put hemming gum, hem the design to the fabric, let it be firm before you will come and do this stitch I'm doing here now. All right, thank you. So after this stitch, your agbada is done. The next thing is for you to simply join it by the sides, of which we have been doing that severally on this channel, how to stitch agbada. So this is basically what we are learning from this class. Let's go and iron it and then see how it's looking. All right, you can see how flat this is looking. It's very easy, clean, simple, and straightforward. You can see this, guys. At this point, please subscribe. All right, so the next thing for us to do now is to close the agbada. Like I said, we've stitched agbada on this channel severally. Okay, but how you're going to close your agbada, you simply, this is the shoulder line. That mark you're seeing there is a shoulder line. Remember, I ironed this agbada to identify the center before attaching that design. So we come down here and we hold the two sides. Okay, and I'm going to close them in just about 10 inches in. That I'll close it. This is on the bad side now, on the bad face. Okay, I'll mark it up by 2.5 inches up. All right, come up by 2.5 inches. Then I will go in by 10 inches. Sorry about that. Now go in by, let's see, I'll go in by 10 inches. You see that? And I'll do the same thing on the second side of the fabric. Come to the second side of the agbada. You know, you close it both sides from under. You close both sides and you leave space in between, in the center, enough space to allow the person wearing it to walk freely, to dance, to do anything he or she wants to do. So I'll still keep it at 10 inches from the side. Let's measure and be sure that it is 10 inches from the side. I'll keep it there, and 2.5 inches upwards. All right, so I'll still stitch to the side. Then after this is just to hem the under and to hem the side, and that will be all for this class. All right, after this now is to hem the under and to hem the sides, and that will be all for now. So watch carefully how I'm going to hem this. Very simple and straightforward. Trust me, it's very simple. So you can see this, how I'm hemming it. I'll carefully hem it like this. Like I said, guys, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, hit the subscribe button, turn your notification bell on, so that whenever I drop my videos, you will be the first to be notified. All right, And like I said before, my suit class is on. If you want to join my suit class or my WhatsApp group, just chat me up. That's my number on the screen from the beginning of the video. My number is on the screen. Chat me up and I'll add you to my suit class or add you to my WhatsApp group, whichever at all you would want to join. All right. So this is simply how to hem it down. You can see this. Now to hem the side, I'll just show you, and then I don't think I'll do that to the end, but I'll just show you. You fold it 2 inches or 1.5 inches in, depends on how wide you want your hemming to be. You can see this. I'll fold half inch and then 1.5 inch in. First folding is half inch, the second folding is 1.5 inch, and then you hem it all the way. So you hem it both sides like this, and that will be all. You hem it both sides like this, and that will be all. All right, hem it both sides like this, and that will be all. So thank you so much. At the end, this is the result you're going to be having. Your Agbada is here and is set. Thanks for watching, guys. Welcome to Nat Fashion Hub, the best fashion channel in the world. Thank you.